Welcome student our Target Up e-study channel. In this video we will be cover top 10 MCQ related for PLL phase locked loop. First question, PLL in normal condition is option A in capacitive mode, option B in lock range mode, option C in pre-running mode, option D none of these. In PLL normal condition is pre-running mode. What is the pre-running mode? The pre-running stage referred to the stage when there is no input voltage is applied is called is a pre-running mode. The correct option is C. Next question. When PLL is locked, the physio frequency is dash dash input frequency. Option A less than, option B greater than, option C equal to, option D greater than or equal to. The output signal frequency of VCO voltage control oscillator will change continuously until it is equal to the input signal frequency. Now it is said to the PL is operating in lock mode. In phase lock, the frequency comparison stop as soon as the output frequency is adjusted to become equal to the input frequency. This stage is also called phase lock stage. The correct option is C, equal to. Next question. If the control voltage to a VCO increase, the output frequency. Option A decrease, option B increase, option C does not change, option D none of these. If the control voltage of VCO increase, the control voltage is increased, the output frequency is increased. The correct option is B. In PLL, the input voltage or control voltage is increased, the output frequency is increased, and the vice versa is possible. The option B is correct. Go to the next question. Dash dash IC correspond to PLL phase lock loop. The correct option is a D, IC 565. This is the 14-pin IC. Option A, IC 555 is a timer IC. Option B, 556 is a dual version of timer IC. Option C, 547 is the transistor IC. And option D, 565 is the PLL IC. Option D is correct. 565. Next question. The PLL can be used as a dash dash. Option A, voltage multiplier. Option B, frequency multiplier. Option C, current multiplier. Option D, all of the above. The correct option is B. The PLL can be used as a frequency multiplier. Next question. In PLL input circuit is dash dash. Option A, low pass filter. Option B, VCO voltage control oscillator. Option C, level shifter. Option D, phase comparator. In PLL block diagram, the first circuit is a phase detector or phase comparator. The second is the low pass filter, and next to the VCO voltage control oscillator. The correct option is D, phase comparator or phase detector. Next question. Dash dash filter are used in PLL. Option A, high pass filter. Option B, low pass. Option C, notch. Option D, both A and B. The correct option is B, low pass filter. Why to use low pass filter in PLL? The reason, it also removes the high frequency noise as well as the control the dynamic characteristics of the whole circuit. This is the main reason to use low pass filter in PLL circuit. Next, option B is correct. Okay. Pre-running multivibrator is also called as dash dash. Option A, stable multivibrator. Option B, voltage control oscillator. Option C, square wave oscillator. Option D, plus stretcher. The pre-running multivibrator is also called as a voltage control oscillator. Option B is correct. Next question. What is the function of low pass filter in PLL? Option A, improve the low frequency noise. Option B, remove high frequency noise. Option C, track the voltage change. Option D, change in the input frequency. These questions related to the question number 7. It is also remove the high frequency noise. The correct option is 9 number question is the remove high frequency noise. The main function of low pass filter in PLL, remove high frequency noise. B option is correct. Last question. The output frequency of the VCO can be changed by changing. Option A, external tuning resistor. Option B, external tuning capacitor. Option C, modulating input voltage. Option D, all of these. In VCO, in PLL, VCO can be changing the voltage control oscillator can be changed by external tuning resistor, tuning capacitor and modulating input voltage. To change the VCO output voltage, the external resistor capacitor are used to change the values to changing the output voltage of the VCO. The correct option is D, all of these. Please like and subscribe and press bell icon for upcoming new videos.